First it holds it because it's,
Are you on?
what do you want, this is, what do you want to say, it's notch, what do you call this surfacing when they knurl?
Knurled.
It's knurled to hold the wire, and then when that releases, it also cuts. This would cut it off, and that's what dropped them pieces into that pan. Because the needles would come all the way in here, then that would move 1/4 and catch that wire, then this part would spin, and you get that knot about so long, and then it would trip this mechanism on the other side and push that knot out into the chamber so that it would go on through the process of going on out. This baler has done a lot of baling because you can tell when you move this down that somebody has welded this up, because apparently it wasn't timing this right anymore for the needles. That's why they had to build it back up.
All right, Lloyd, we appreciate your knowledge. How old were you when you worked behind this machine?
Probably 11 and 12 and on up till I went off, got smart and went to college, so I didn't have to do this anymore.
How long a bales, or how heavy a bales can this?
Well, when me and my brother started out, I remember baling wild hay, and between the two of us, we could only get them 3 high on the rack.
Okay.
Straw bales were easy. They were quite light. We stacked them, I don't know, 8 high on a wagon, and that didn't bother us, but wild hay was really heavy.
This is about probably the mid-50s, early 50s when they were out. New.
Yep. Yeah, because if I was 12, 11 and 12 and on up, why I would have been, that would have been 56, 55, 56, probably when I started behind this thing.
What did you pull the baler with?
I think at that time we had a Z. We had a Z and a U, I know at that time. I don't remember exactly which one was, because I was always back on the rack. I was not the one that was on the driving seat, so.
Okay. Thank you, Lloyd.